New times bring innovation, but also new demands. In this fast-paced world, products are becoming more and more complex, available in numerous variants. Customers have higher expectations while development teams are under pressure to bring the products to market in record time and cost. To overcome these challenges, the development teams need to rethink the conventional processes, embrace innovative strategies, and work with toolsets ensuring high testing efficiency. Explore why SimCenter Test Lab 2021.2 is your reliable partner on this journey. In this release, you can discover the power of system NVH prediction for the very first time. With the new SimCenter Test Lab virtual prototype assembly, you and any of your team members can virtually assemble countless vehicle configurations and validate vehicle NVH performance without building a physical prototype. With this technology, you will take control of the NVH performance much earlier in the development cycle. Virtual prototype assembly leverages model-based development with a library of component models and loads derived from test or simulation using component-based transfer path analysis technology. If you're a SimCenter Test Lab Neo user, you will appreciate the increased efficiency when evaluating NVH performance. SimCenter Test Lab Process Designer now provides intelligent data filtering and selection options based on vehicle operating conditions. Also, the sound quality engineering capabilities of SimCenter Test Lab 2021.2 introduce new extensions for advanced audio replay and sound quality analysis. Next to that, SimCenter Test Lab Neo brings new geometry capabilities. Now, you can digitally build a 3D representation of a tested system by importing finite element or STL files and merging them with existing geometries. This release also extends SimCenter Test Lab with NVH test data management to simplify the search and comparison of NVH performance metrics. This new feature empowers your colleagues across various departments to publish, search on context information, and reuse the data for further analysis and report. As a result, your data is now accessible to your colleagues in a more structured way. And finally, SimCenter Test Lab 2021.2 is the first release that supports the brand new SimCenter SCADAS RS rugged data acquisition system, designed for fast and cost-effective real-world data collection in harsh environments on agricultural, construction, and mining equipment. SimCenter Test Lab 2021.2 provides test preparation, test setup definition, data collection, and validation to get the most out of SimCenter SCADAS RS. Discover all the other updates and features in this release on our website,